his looks in tonight. Surprised he's not shooting from there. That stunning volley. It does mean it's going to be the difference between the two sides. What a goal to win a Milan derby.
If it stays this way, both the fixtures in Serie A last season were draws, including the first goalless draw for more than a decade. Given an evening off so far. He wore the captain's armband last season following the retirement.